Hey guys, okay, this is part two of my at build. So as I said last time, I went ahead and I put together the main parts and pieces, but I did not assemble the entire kit. I wanted to go ahead and prime and paint them first and then put the final assembly together. I used Vallejo primer, the flat black primer. It works fine. I mean, some people don't like it, but my experience basically, if you spray it on and you leave it on overnight, don't mess with it. It's fine. It works. I mean, I've used it with Tamiya paint. I've used it with Vallejo paint, so no issues there. So I went ahead and follow advice from Andy's Hobby Shop. Hey Andy, if you're out there, thanks for the tip. I'm going to follow his tip on making white panels and then painting everything with the gray on this model. So basically, I'm just going to paint Tamiya white, Tamiya flat white in certain areas to make some panel effects, so that when I come back later, I'll paint the entire thing in gray, in sky gray. All right, guys, I will paint this and then I'll continue on with the next video. Until next time.